Hey guys, I'm at work. Happy Friday. I hope you guys had a wonderful Friday morning, a wonderful Friday day. And for those of you who Friday is just getting started, I hope that you have a wonderful day as well. I wanted to take a moment to introduce you guys to my new car. I've had her for about 2 weeks now, and I absolutely love her. Um, it's funny because most girls, they would say their cars are guys, but my girl is a girl. So anyway, I'm going to introduce you guys to her now, and I will see you guys on Saturday. I'm going to bring you along for LaVille's birthday get together and my grandson Alex. It's not a real big thing. It's just getting out and enjoying each other's company for his special day, for their special day. So until then, see you guys later. Bye now.
This is Kashina Whitfield, discovering history.
But it is awesome.
She's looking at the Vietnam helicopter. Yep.
You see the sheet?
Yep. This is her when she wanted to be a pilot.
I so wanted to be a pilot. That was so bad. Haha, just kidding. That's a video from when I was in Rockford. We went to this park and I actually enjoyed it. Long, nice walk, and looking at that helicopter. And they still had the sheet inside and everything. I thought that was pretty awesome. Now let's get to the real video, and that's introducing you to my new car. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.